Hello, Namaste everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel edufuturestar. In today's session, we are going to start exercises. In the previous videos, we already studied multiplication of fractions, reciprocal of fractions and also division of fractions basics, right? So in today's video, we are going to apply those methods and all. So by using those methods, we are going to solve exercises, right? So before going to start that, who are all new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit a bell icon so you will get a notifications of my next videos. So come, let's start our today's session. We are going to solve exercises 2.1 in this video. So we have a first main. First main is about multiply the following, right? So let's multiply this. These are very simple exercises, okay? So we can easily multiply this. We already learned fraction multiplied by a whole number, right? So let's see, 1 by 2 into 7 we have. Do we have any cancelling term? No, right? We don't have any cancelling term. So what we have to do? We have to multiply, right? So here 7 is multiplied with 1 because 7 is in the numerator. Nothing is there means 1 is there, right? So that is assumption. 7 by 1 is as what is that? It is 7 only, right? So we are going to multiply 7 with 1. We will get 7 in the numerator and 2 into 1. What we will get? 2 is in the denominator, right? So this is what the result. Simple. See the second one. 2 by 3 into 12. Do we have any cancelling thing here? Yes, right? 3 and 12 can be cancelled out, right? Let's see. 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12. Correct? Now what we have to do? Whatever the remaining thing is there, we have to multiply those two, right? So 4 twos are 8. Simple. Okay. See the third one. Third one is what? 4 divided by 15 into 35, right? 15 can be divided by 5 and also 35 can be divided by 5. So we can divide these two by 5. 5 threes are 15, 5 sevens are 35, right? So other we don't have any cancelling, so we just multiply it now. Okay, 7 fours or 4 sevens are how much? 28, right? 28 in the numerator, 3 is in the denominator. Correct. So this is what our result. Simple. Now see the fourth exercise. 3 by 35 into 70. So 35 and 70 can be divided by 7, right? 7 5s are 35, 7 10s are 70, right? So again we can also cancel these two. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, right? What is the remaining? 3 into 2, right? So let's multiply. 3 2s are what? 6, right? So simple. See next one. 4 by 9 into 18. 9 and 18 can be divided by 9, right? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So remaining 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is what? 8. 4 twos are 8. Right? Next one. 20 by 27 into 15. 27 and 15 can be divided by 3. Right? 3 9s are 27. 3 5s are 15. Correct? So again, can we divide it? No, right? We cannot. So let's multiply. 20 into 5 how much? Which is 100 whole divided by 9. Right? So the answer is what? 100 by 9. So this is what the first main. Clear? Now friends, see the second main. Fill in the blanks. Wherever required, reduce the fraction to its simplest form. Right? So we have to fill these blanks. And also, if required, we have to reduce that form. So see the first question. Here we have 1 by 3 into dash is equal to 1 by 15. So result is what? 1 by 15. We have to get 1 by 15. So which number we have to multiply to get 15 in the denominator? See, numerator is 1, right? So obviously the numerator should be 1 only. 1 into 1 what? 1, right? So 3 into how much? We will get 15. 3 how much is 15? 3 5s are 15, right? So here we have to take 5. So 3 into 5 is 15, 1 into 1 is 1, right? So 1 is cleared, right? So see the second one now. This is just a multiplication. We can multiply it, right? But here, see here. So let's multiply directly now. Otherwise, you can also reduce it to the simplest form, because here we have a 3 and here we have 6, right? So those two can be divided, right? So let's divide those two. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, right? So let's multiply. 5 ones are 5, 8 twos are 16, right? So this is what, here only we cancel out. This is what the one method, okay? So cancelling here only. So another method, directly multiply the numerators and also multiply the denominator at the final result, so you can divide or you can cancel out the terms. So I'll show you now. So 5 threes are how much? 15, right? 5 threes is what? 15. So 8 6 are how much? 48, correct? Now see these two numbers. These two numbers can be divided by what? 3, right? 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, remaining is 18, and 3 6 are 18. So what is the remaining answer? 5 by 16. Getting it? So this is what our result, right? See the third one. Dash into 2 by 9 is equal to 2 by 90, right? Numerator is 2 as it is. So what we have to multiply to get 2? We have to multiply 1. 2 ones are 2. So in the denominator what we have to multiply? 10. 10 nines are 90, right? So this is what the result. 1 by 10, and here 5 by 16 will come, and here 1 by 5 will come, right? Yes. Now see the fourth question. 3 by 8 is multiplied with some number, so we will get 12 by 56 as the result, right? So how we will get 56 in the denominator? 8 how much are 56? 8 sevens are, right? 8 sevens is what? 56, right? So 3 how much are 12? 3 fours are 12, correct? Yes, we are getting 3 fours are 12 and 8 sevens are 56. So this is what our final result. Okay. See the fifth question now. 2 by 10 into 20 by 36. So what we will get? 20 into 2. How much we are getting? 40 we are getting. 2 2s are 4 and 0. Right. So let's multiply these two. 36 ones are 36 and 1 0. Right. So we can also getting the simplest form here, right? How? 0 0 will get cancelled out, right? And 4 ones are 4, 4 9s are 36. So what is the final result? 1 by 9, right? So 1 by 9 is what? Our final result. That is the simplest form. Okay, simple. And now see the sixth one. 1 by 6 into some number, we are getting 1 by 7. How is this possible? How can we get 1 by 7? So first of all, we have in the denominator 6, right? So how can we get this? For this kind of solution, so what we have to take? 1 by 7 is in the right hand side. 1 by 6 is multiplied with some number that we don't know. These two are what? Multiplied, right? So when this number comes to the right hand side, what it will become? It will goes to the denominators, right? So it is divided. So how can we do this one? 1 by 6 into x is equal to 1 by 7. How we are taking? We are keeping the x as it is, and 1 by 7, this is what? Divisible, okay? Divided by 1 by 6, right? So we already learned in the basics, right? 1 by 7 into 6 by 1. Reciprocal and sign will changed. We already learned in the basics, right? So now what is the result here? 6 by 7, correct? 6 by 7. Let's keep 6 by 7 over here. 6 by 7, right? Now see this one. 6 6 get cancelled out. 6 6 get cancelled out means what? 1 1, and 1 into 7 is what? 7 only. So we are getting 1 by 7 as the result. Getting it? So this is what the behind step. 1 by 6 into x is equal to 1 by 7. So keeping x as it is, 1 by 7 is divided by 1 by 6. So we are transferring the 1 by 6 to the right hand side. So this will go to denominator. That's why we are keeping a division sign. Okay. So when we take the reciprocal of that number, we will get a multiplication sign. Right. So the final result is what? 6 by 7. That is what our result. Okay. Simple. Yes. See friends. In the third main, we have same multiply, but here the questions are what? Mixed fraction, right? So in the mixed fraction question, we have to solve. How can we multiply these mixed fraction questions? So first thing, we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, right? So let's convert this. 3 1 by 8 into 2 3 by 5 we have. What is the improper fraction for this 3 1 by 8? So we have to multiply 3 and 8 and add the numerator, then keep it in the numerator, right? So let's multiply this. So 8 3s is what? 24, correct? 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25 divided by 8 as it is. And we have multiplication symbol, keep it multiplication symbol. And now let's see this one. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is what? 13 by 5. Now we can cancel these two, right? 5 and 25 can be cancelled out. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. Right? So there is no other cancelling thing. So we can directly multiply it. Okay? So let's multiply now. 13 5s are how much? Which is 65. Right? 13 5s are 65. In the denominator, we have 8 1s are 8. Correct? So this is what our final result. Simple. So in the mixed fraction, keep in mind, whenever you will get a mixed fraction questions, that time you have to convert that mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Then only you can go to for the next levels. Okay? So next you can easily cancel out or multiply it. Okay? It depends on the question. Now see the second question. Same type, 5 1 by 3 into 3 3 by 4. Let's multiply these two. We are going to convert it, right? So 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16 divided by 3. Multiplication symbol. 3 4s are how much? 12. 12 plus 3 is what? 15 by 4. Alright? So this is what our result. Now can we cancel it? Yes. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15, 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. Correct? Now let's multiply the remaining. 4 5s are how much? 20. So 1 1s are what? 1. So 20 by 1 is what? Our result. You can also directly state it is 20. So we can also directly state this one as a 20. Right? Simple? Yes. Now see the third question. 2 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. Right? So let's convert this into improper fraction now. So 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is what? 12. In the denominator we have 5 as it is. And 3 by 4 also as it is. Right? Now we can cancel 12 and 4. Right? So 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Correct? Now let's multiply the remaining thing. So 3 3s are what? 9 divided by 5 1s are 5. Correct? So this is what our final result. 9 by 5 is the final result. Okay? See the fourth question. So 6 2 by 5 into 25 by 8. This is our question. So let's multiply this first. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32 divided by 5 into 25 and 8. Okay. So in these type of question, we have only one mixed fraction. So other one is a normal fraction, right? So here we just convert the only one mixed fraction. Okay. So let's cancel these two now. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. Right. So next 8 and 32 is there. These two can be divided, right? 8 1s are 8. 8 4s are 32. Right. So what is the remaining one? 4 5s are 20 by 1 1s are 1. So our final result is what? 20. Correct? So this is our final result. Okay.